Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie and mash. Begin by assembling all ingredients and tools, then measure flour, butter, and filling precisely. Keep cold butter for flaky pastry and chill dough when needed. Preheat oven to the right temperature while you roll out the crust on a lightly floured surface. Prepare filling so it is warm but not hot before baking. Follow timing and handling tips for best results. Start by keeping everything cold for ideal flakiness and texture. Use cold butter and quick motions to combine ingredients without melting the fat. Add small amounts of cold water until the dough just holds together, then form a disc and chill it. Rolling from the center outward keeps even thickness and prevents tearing. If seams appear, patch gently and avoid overhandling to maintain a tender crust. Prepare your mash and pie filling so textures complement each other when combined. Season fillings deliberately and avoid excess liquid that can make pastry soggy. Fill the prepped crust, seal edges neatly with a fork or crimp, and brush with egg wash for a golden finish. Vent the top crust to let steam escape and bake until deep golden. Allow the pie to rest so the filling firms up before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.